Hi there and welcome back to Yana's English Academy. Think your English pronunciation is solid? Let's see about that. Some words in English are total tricksters, written one way, pronounced another. And just when you think you've got them figured out, boom, another silent letter or weird vowel sound jumps out to mess with you. Today, we're putting your pronunciation skills to the ultimate test. If you can say all 14 of these words correctly, you're basically an English-speaking wizard. Ready? Let's go. Word number 1. How do you pronounce this word? The correct pronunciation is thorough in British English and thorough in American English. Means done carefully and completely. And here's an example. She did a thorough check of the report before submitting it. And how do you say this word? The correct pronunciation is subtle. The B is completely silent. It means not obvious or easily noticeable. He gave me a subtle hint that I should leave. Number 3. Take your time to think it over. All right, so the correct pronunciation is chaos in British English and chaos in American English. It's a state of complete disorder and confusion. After the storm, the streets were in complete chaos. Number 4. This is mischievous. Enjoying playing tricks or causing trouble in a playful way. The mischievous child hid behind the sofa, giggling. Next up, we have this word. So, it's a recipe. It's a set of instructions for preparing food. Do you have a good recipe for chocolate cake? Word number 6. Do you know how to say it? It is infamous, well known for something bad. The dictator was infamous for his cruelty. Word number 7. Any ideas how to say this word correctly? It is temperature, the degree of heat or cold in a place or object. The temperature is dropping quickly tonight. Number 8. It does sound confusing, doesn't it? It's an athlete, a person who's trained in sports. He's a professional athlete competing in the Olympics. Word number 9. Look at how long the word is. Super tricky. The correct pronunciation is environmentalism. Environmentalism. Concern and action for protecting the environment. Environmentalism has become more important in recent years. Word number 10. Take your time to think about it. Okay, so you should say epitome. It's a perfect example of something. She's the epitome of kindness. Word number 11. This word has a French origin. Do you know how to say it? You should say bouquet. It's a bunch of flowers arranged together. He gave her a beautiful bouquet of roses. Number 12. Again, this one comes from French. It is pronounced genre. It's a category of art, music, or literature. My favorite genre of music is jazz. Next up we have this one. Any ideas how to say it? It's salmon. The L is actually silent. A type of fish popular for eating. I ordered grilled salmon for dinner. Number 14. I'm sure a lot of people struggle with this one. Again, it comes from French. Entrepreneur. A person who starts and runs a business. She's a successful entrepreneur with multiple businesses. How many did you get right? If you nailed them all, your pronunciation is truly impressive. But pronunciation is just one piece of the puzzle. If you really want to sound like a native, you need to master phrasal verbs. They're everywhere in English. Watch my video on the 50 most common phrasal verbs. It'll help you speak more naturally and confidently. Click here to watch it now. See you there. Bye.